Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This video is an overview of financial basics. As simple as it sounds, financial planning is really just a matter of using common sense as it comes to your income and expenses. For instance, why would you pay $10 when you could pay $5 for the same item? You work very hard to earn your money, so you need to make sure that your money is working hard for you in return. When it all boils down, money is a means to an end, a way to generate options in your life. You work to make money, you take that money and use it to make sure that you have a place to live, a car to drive, food to eat, clothes to wear and more. With luck, you will have additional money to enjoy some of the finer things in life, whatever that means for you. Many people believe that money is made to spend, and you will spend it, but it doesn't have to be today. At some point in your life the time will come when you can no longer work to earn money, and you must be prepared for it. You cannot expect to start saving for retirement the year before you will need to retire. The sooner you start saving and investing for your retirement, the better your retirement years will be. And retirement planning should be one financial goal for everyone. When you retire, you will start spending the money that you've worked all of your life to earn and save. With luck and planning, there will even be some over to give your grandchildren a good financial start. Just because you make a lot of money, you don't have to spend a lot of money. We would all like to live a rich lifestyles, but that is a matter of perspective and doesn't require you to spend every cent. Common sense is best when it comes to money. If you don't have to spend your money, don't. It really is as simple as that. Instead, put that money to work for you, and have it make more money for you in your future. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.